Hi everyone, my name is Shayla Scott. I'm an adult services librarian at the main branch of Charleston County Public Library, and today we are going to do a fun recipe on limeade. And it's a fun recipe for the entire family to do, and I'm going to show you the ingredients you need for it. First ingredient, of course, you need limes. You need about 5 of them. And then also you're going to need sugar, about 10 teaspoons of sugar. And a little bit of salt right here. Of course, you'll need some mint. And you're going to need some regular water, just regular tap water, and some sparkling water. Just make sure when you open the sparkling water that you don't get it all over the place. Tools you will need a juicer for your limes. You'll need some sort of knife, like a paring knife is okay to cut your limes, and you can also use it for cutting your mint as well. And of course a spoon to mix everything up. And I also have a mortar and pestle here, but if you don't have that, you can use like a mixing bowl and a spoon. Okay. So let's start off with our limes. I'm going to take each of our limes and cut them in half, and I'm going to juice them. And please make sure that you have washed your limes and your mint, and also that you've washed your hands as well. And we're going to just juice them in this bowl. Okay, we have our lime juice right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to measure your still water, as we call it, or tap water. It's going to be 1 2/3 cups, and you're going to pour this into a pitcher. And we're going to also go ahead and add 5 teaspoons of our sugar. And we're going to take our spoon and we're just going to mix it up until it dissolves. All right, and now we're going to measure up 2/3 of our lime juice. That is about 2/3. Now, if you need some more lime juice, because we will kind of need more of this, you can definitely get some extra limes for that. But we are going to pour this into the pitcher as well. And we're going to stir that in. And now for a mint. Now you can do this 2 ways. You can either chop it up with a knife, or you can tear it. And I'm going to choose to tear it. You can use about 10 leaves should be good. We're just going to take all of these off the stems and I'm just going to tear it. Move stuff a little bit over so you can see. Okay, there's your torn lime, mint, I mean. So the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to use our mortar and pestle. And with this usually is basically used to crush up herbs into like a paste. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bit of our mint, or at least half of our mint, and put it in the mortar and pestle, about 2.5 teaspoons of our sugar. And what you want to do with it, you're going to take this part and just kind of move it around, kind of against the back here. And don't worry if you get a little messy, depending. Like I said before, I know a lot of people don't have one of these, so you can definitely use a mixing bowl and the back of a spoon. And you want to grind this up into a bit of a paste. It's okay if you don't have it that way 100%. You just need to get it all incorporated. And you should see it kind of coming together when you crush your mint into the sugar. Okay, and to help it along a little bit, we're going to take a little bit of our lime mixture and pour a little bit in here. You don't need too terribly much, just a little bit to help the paste along. You'll probably do this up to like 3 to 5 minutes. And that should be good enough for a base. So we're going to take our spoon and just scoop it in there. And you now are going to do the same exact thing with your other half of your mint, and we'll just pour the rest of our sugar in there, and we'll do the exact same thing. The second time around it will be a little easier because your bowl is already wet. We're going to take the rest of this and just pour it in there. That should be enough for that, and we'll do the second half. Okay, let's move all of these aside. And the last thing we want to do is we want to put a little bit of salt. I like to use kosher salt, and we'll just put like what they call a pinch salt in there. And we will give it one last mix. And then we're going to add our 1 2/3 cups of the sparkling water. And like I said at the beginning, be very careful when you are pouring this. Okay, that is about where we need it to be. And we will go ahead and add this. And one final mix. And you can taste this to see if you need a little bit more sugar, a little bit more salt, whatever you need, but that is how your limeade should look. And of course, just give a little inspiration on presentation here. I'm gonna pour some of it in our cup. We'll dress it up a little bit. I have an extra lime, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Cut like a slice. Put a little slit in there. Put it on the side and we will have some mint right there if you want to be a little fancy, if you'd like. And there you go. There's your limeade, nice and refreshing for the whole family. And I hope you had a lot of fun making this. I did as well. And thanks for watching.